Hey guys, Jack Gleason here with startuptrading.com. And what I'm going to review with you is how I use my scanners. So if you guys have been watching me on NinjaTrader, if you've just seen me, via my own chat room or YouTube videos, one of the things you'll see is I go over this scanner a lot that I review, and I'm finally making this scanner available for the public. But before I do that, I obviously want to show you how I use it. So every morning, um, or at the end of every RTH session, I'm taking like a note of basically what is going on the prior day. And I'm going to give you an example of yesterday, and then we're going to move into today. Let me just size this up. So this is yesterday's action, and you can see I have full and RTH data. So the RTH data is going to be from 9:30 to the 4 p.m. close, and the full is going to be the 6 to 5 o'clock time frame. So they're going to scan differently. But what I like to pay attention to for the indexes specifically, because I know a lot of you guys out there are index traders, is what is really trending the most out of the indexes, and that could be to the upside or the downside. Now, if we look at the prior day's data, we have the Nasdaq as our worst market. All right. So it was trending down 42% of the day, with the Russell and the YM leading to the upside. So on the prior day. So that's yesterday. And then if I go into today, I go in with the bias of, okay, the Nasdaq is, the most bearish here. And you can look, look at this, look at today, just bearish action, selling, 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 selling. So what this scanner is allowing me to do is basically tell me what was trending down the most. And then I'm using that market selection theory to then apply short strategies to the weakest market, or if I'm interested in trading to the long side, long strategies to the strongest. So yesterday we had YM as the strongest. So let's just take a look at the YM. If you were to trade the YM long, is it a little easier today than the NQ? Well, in the morning, for sure it was. We did get a breakdown here, but you can see the YM just support, 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 support. We've had, finally got a breakdown, and now we're actually trending lower. But let's look at the current day's data here. So we're going to pull up the current scanner, and this is what you're going to get if you decide to go ahead and purchase this scanner, is you get to see what we're doing today. So once again, we have this is the full data here, and then we can go to the regular trading hours session. So RTH, once again, yesterday the Nasdaq was the weakest at 40%, trending down. Today we're trending down 75%. So that gave me the clue. Yesterday's action gave me the clue that we should be trending down. So that's just one of the helpful things that this tool has to offer. And of course, you can add any market to this. This is going to be extremely helpful when we come out with the single stock futures, because there's 100 of them. How are you going to pick from 100? I know how I'm going to pick. I'm going to run this scanner. I'm going to have a scanner of 100, and I'm simply going to look at the top 3 if I want to go long, or the bottom 3 if I want to go short. And that is going to be such a game changer here. If for this for the single stock futures. So if you guys trade more than one market, or want to trade more than one market, you're going to want this scanner. If you guys think you're going to dip into single stock futures, you're going to want this scanner. Even if you only trade one market, you're going to want this scanner, because it's going to tell you what side you should be favored on based on the price action. So then there's also a couple more indicators I have in here. This is an add-on inside of NinjaTrader. And this is just a scan view of across the whole thing. Now, if we are these are the indexes up here. You got micros, you have like the full size contracts down here. But like anytime we're bearish across the board, so there's 2 different bear signals I have. They're either bearish or bullish, and they're called bear bars. Or ATR Bear, which are just 2 indications. And I'll show you guys what that looks like on the screen here. So this is, today here in the MYM, this is a ATR bar and a bear bar. So that's a double bar. So that's telling you that the trend has kind of changed to the downside, and you want to be wary of potential longs. And then it's also going to list that here on the bottom with a ribbon. This is a ribbon, kind of like a heat map ribbon. I like to trade from the long side when it's green, and from the short side when it's red. So let's take a look at our weakest market here today, MNQ. Load it up. Look at it. Just red, 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 red. Not an ounce of green today. Take one look at this chart. Do you think you would have made more money shorting this market or longing this market. And this is the easiest way that I filter out, number one, what direction I should be trading and what market I should be trading. And I'm going to release this to 10 people only. The first 10 people are going to get a lifetime license. Okay. And then it's going to be a subscription product. So the lifetime license is $500. If you are interested in the lifetime license, you can contact me via Twitter, Jack Leeson, or shoot me an email, contact at Startup Trading. I'm only offering 10 lifetime licenses, and then it's going to be $100 a month. So, this is going to be a tool that I guarantee once you start using it, you're not going to stop, and it's going to really, really help you stay on the right side of things. So if you're interested in it, you can contact me one of those two ways. I'll walk you through the payment process. It's only 10 people. And then I'm basically just simply going to take down this video, and it's going to be $100 a month for everybody else. So more than double that every year if you don't get the early license. So once again, first 10 people, reach out to me. This is probably going to be gone, by the end of the week. So if you have any questions, also feel free to just hit me up or come in the NinjaTrader room or stop by my chat room and ask me any questions. Take care.